Want a cleaner, less distracting experience when notifications pop up on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? You can switch to a more minimal notification style that still keeps you informed without taking over your screen. To set it up, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, and then tap Notification. Next, tap Notification Pop-up Style, and then choose Brief. You will now see a simple, less intrusive notification style that doesn't take much space on the screen. It's perfect if you want to focus more, avoid clutter, or just prefer a minimal design. Once you select Brief, you will notice some extra options available, such as app to show as brief that let you pick which app use this style, edge lighting style that lets you customize the effect, color, transparency, white, and the pop-up duration, color by keyword, and show even while screen is off. This option can be used to add even more control of how pop-up notification will appear. You can explore the settings later for deeper customization. So, given to the function, with brief notification style, your pop-ups become smoother and less distracting, ideal for focusing on what matters. Just keep in mind, these settings only applies to apps that have pop-up notification turned on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.